How much does Squarespace cost? Well, I've got the pricing page open here. They got a lot of different options on Squarespace these days. It's a little bit complicated, so I am going to go through everything right here in this video. So first of all, click the link below this video in the video description. You can get a free trial on me. You can check out Squarespace and see if it is the right platform for you. If it is, you can stick around and get one of these pricing plans. If not, that's absolutely fine. You don't pay anything as it's a free trial. So all of these plans that you see on the screen are in annual mode. You can actually pay monthly. So just to explain that, with annual, you're going to save anything from 25, 29, 19 or 11% annually over the monthly price. So you're getting the savings with annually. The only downside there is you do have to pay all of those months in one go up front. If you want the month-to-month sort of rolling contract with no commitment to the year, you don't have to pay up front. You can just pay monthly, and you see that monthly prices are reflected there. So to go left to right to start out, I'll flip back to annually. So you basically got 4 different plans. You've got basic, core, plus, and advanced. So in basic, this is charged at £12 per month. You can see these prices are in British pounds. I'm in the UK. So I'll try and translate into dollars. That's around $18 per month, I think, currently for the basic plan. So you can see exactly what is included. You can build your own website, beautiful templates and powerful tools for any website. You get a free custom domain. You get Squarespace AI with that, and up to 2 contributors. And also you can see the payment methods. Credit card rates charged at 2% plus 25 cents, 25 pence even. And then there's an online store transaction fee of 2%. That is much less with the next plan. We'll go through that in just a second. But as you can see, if you're paying more upfront for one of these plans, you don't pay as much in transaction fees. That's kind of an overriding rule with this kind of thing. So core, on the other hand, is $17 per month. You get all of the features of basic plus some extra features here. I'm not going to read out everything, but you get some better AI features. You can do some more customizations like with CSS and JavaScript, etc. There's professional email from Google Workspace that might be quite handy depending on your use case. And you also get better payment method options, as you can see here, as well as the ability to sell products and services, as you can see right here. Then they've got the Plus plan at $29 per month. You can see everything you get here in the Plus plan. And then the Advanced plan for the more advanced users at $79 per month. And you can see the options that you get here. So depending on your use case, what you want out of Squarespace, where you're at with your business, with your company, you do have these different options. You can start out on the basic plan, and then as your needs kind of increase, you can move your way up to core plus advanced, or just stick around on basic or core, whatever you want to do. So this is quite handy. If we hit this drop down, I always like it on pricing pages where you can actually see this kind of side-by-side comparison in a table like this. You can see the differences between the basic plan, the core plan, the plus and the monthly, and you can see what you're going to get, and in some cases what you're not going to get, depending on which pricing plan you go for. So you can scroll down, you can see there's a ton of information. Like I said, there's a lot to take in here. You can check out this pricing page yourself, of course. They've got free frequently asked questions down below here if you want some more information. But there's, like I say, there's a lot of information on this page. I do encourage you to get that free trial. Check out the free trial in the video description just below this video. Have that free trial on me, see if it is the right solution for you, see if Squarespace is for you. If it's not, that's absolutely fine. If it is, you can stick around on a paid plan, as we've discussed here. So hopefully you found this video useful. If you have, drop this video a like and subscribe to the channel for more videos just like